USA, all nations, and 7.9 plus billions of humans. I hope we are all on the same page on this ongoing, very, very crucial, very, very important civil justice sign off that is provided by I am for myself, for I am Vedapriya Prose, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil Supreme Judge, and it is because the United States of American nation with fatal negligence created poverty, robocall poverty mandate and enforce poverty for me, and that is the crime of USA nation. So I am signing off the civil justice sign off so that I will get the civil justice one side. I am also providing the true scandal of absolute monarchs to the USA government, and I can earn salary out of it to take care of my basic essentials, and also I can also get the job offer signed off and to start the job. So, and then I will also provide the healthy civil justice for entire human kingdom worldwide as well. So it's all a multitasking. So I will read the civil justice sign off. For I, Vedapriya Prose, proved scandal of absolute monarchs and proved Pope Francis is Roman Empire King he wrote as of February 2021. Any salary as in tax-free billions of dollars USA government can provide effective immediate using direct deposit to my bank account. To I am that I am Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Israelite tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, true owner of all nations worldwide, can help me. And the scandal faces of Republica Europe nations worldwide is Republica Eiffel Tower in France. Never educated USA Republican government can never enforce poverty, and USA can never create robocall poverty mandate to I Vedapriya Prose, a true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, and true civil Supreme Judge. And it is fatal negligence of Eiffel Tower, France, and to be fatal negligence. Either USA government should say knows who is Republica Eiffel Tower France in France, or either USA government should say don't know who is Republica Eiffel Tower in France. So what is the error? The Republica Eiffel Tower in France created robocall poverty mandate, and it is the deadliest crime as of February 2021. It comes under the domestic violence classification, and it is breach of duty, intentional infliction of emotional distress, causation and injury, battery and types, then assault and types, then false imprisonment, then trespass to land, then trespass to chattels. So the civil justice is I, Vedapriya Prose, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil Supreme Judge, own the text for ongoing civil justice sign-off that is provided for myself. And it is a multitasking as well to be on the same page. Then the Republica Eiffel Tower France with fatal negligence failed to educate USA government, cannot create robocall poverty mandate, and by default created Republica USA robocall poverty mandate to I Vedapriya Prose, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil Supreme Judge, and Republica government, GOP leader Mitch McConnell, President Trump, Supreme Court Judge Brett Kavanaugh in October 2018 enforced poverty mandate to I Vedapriya Prose abruptly on October 2018, and Republican government of United States of America took away $4,500 on October 2018 abruptly and enforced finance debt of $10,210.38 since October 2018, October 2019, October 2020, and as of today, February 6, 2021 and beyond. And that is today is February 8th, and it's a typo error. Just be patient on that part. And then enforce finance disabled to I Vedapriya Prose abruptly. So it is a crime for Republica Eiffel Tower France when ruling USA. Never educated, USA should never provide enforced poverty to I Vedapriya Prose. So civil justice is I Vedapriya Prose want United States of America Citibank CEO to pay off my debt in full, that is $10,210.38, and sign off tax-free $4,500 direct deposit to my bank account, and the Eiffel Tower France must sign off tax-free $1,000 billion and direct deposit to my bank account, and at fault and found guilty Holy Highness God of USA, Queen Elizabeth II, Pope Francis, and Republican government of USA will provide the needful help accordingly to be on the same page. Then for I displayed the scandal of absolute monarchs to the United States of American government, I Vedapriya Prose for civil justice as in Holy Bible guidelines. I want USA to rename the Lord Ripon building in Tamil Tamil Nadu, India, after my name as Vedapriya is a civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Pro Se, to become the Vatican leader now is civil justice served. And Pope Francis resigns abruptly now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Pro Se, become Supreme Chief Civil Judge for all nations now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Pro Se, become Supreme Chief Family Law Judge for all nations now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Pro Se, to become Global Poverty Relief Medical Director Chief for all nations to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organization, Center for Disease Control, Department of Children Families, Department of Health Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Department of Agriculture, Department of Imports Exports, Department of Military, etc. in all nations across the globe is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Pro Se, to be the ambassador for all nations is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Pro Se, must get dual citizenship of USA and India now is civil justice served. And I hope we are all on the same page. This civil justice, yes, it is for myself, and it is a multitasking. It is also displaying the scandal of absolute monarchs to the all nations. And once when I get the job offer signed off and all the other thing processing, I will also provide the healthy justice for entire human kingdom as well. So talk to you all soon. Take care. Bye for now. Have a good day.